up, y'all? As you can see, I am vlogging for these nice cars. There you go. Alright. Oh,
yes,
that's
I
something.
was not ready for that yet. Too early for this.
Tell me about it, right? I hope I see my favorite color.
What's your favorite color? Like what
Blue.
color? Blue color?
Yes.
Right now, stock wise, all we have on our Fortes are gray, blacks, and white. And on our Rios, we have red, black, and gray.
So which one is the Rios?
Rios are right in here. Rios is one of our smaller cars, but it could help you with the rebates and so on.
Oh, okay.
So these right here, oh wait, those are the hatchback.
These the Rios?
Yeah.
So these the Rios. Okay. Oh, Lord.
So you have your red and, we only have red and black also.
So you only have one red and three blacks.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh, my God.
So this is
Oh, $30 on gas?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my God.
So 30 miles, gas per mile.
Oh, okay.
Good. So it's not
Okay.
like you fill up with 30. Girl, this car fills up with 15 and will last you for 2 weeks, almost. Well, it depends how much you drive and all that. But this is like the most economic. The most economic vehicles are this one, the Forte, and the Soul. The ones that save up in gas, pretty much.
Yeah. So I want to go back to the Forte then.
The Forte?
Would that be one of the lucky cars? I like this one too. Do it have a you know how us ladies want to have the YouTube hooked up to the
you have your
car?
aux, your USB in every vehicle so far connected already.
Really?
Yeah, so that's pretty much all the features on our vehicles right now. So we kind of like base it because that's one of our best sellers so far. So we
I just pray to God that I'll be able to leave with something.
We'll help you out in any way that we can. You just tell me which vehicle you like best. I'll look for your keys. We go to test drive, and you just tell me from that point on.
Oh my God!
I know you're just so excited.
Yes. Oh, okay. Okay, which one is the Forte? You said so. All of those.
Yes, and you tell me which one you like.
No.
And which one numbers. We have the black one, the white one, the white. I never recommend white because white is a lot to clean.
Yes.
It just, if it gets dirty, it's a lot to clean. So I always recommend the gray one because the black one is also kind of like that. Yeah. So it's just like between that. Just put it out there. It's all you. This is your car, girl. This is what you're gonna be driving. You tell me what you want, and I'll get it.
Okay. Okay. Oh my God! I just pray to God that I'll be able to leave with a car. Oh my God! I think my baby gonna mess up these seats.
No, these seats are actually in between of leather and cloth, so it's actually pretty easy to clean. It's not like this type of cloth that you can just spill anything and then you have to be cleaning yourself to rub it off.
Okay. I think I'll go with the gray.
With the gray one?
Yes. Okay, so when you say, okay, so this one is $32 a mile?
Huh?
$32. How many?
Per mile. If this vehicle fills up with $20.
Okay.
And you have 38 miles per hour. On your gas, so you're not wasting no gas. And this also has eco mode, so you're not gonna be wasting. Like I'm telling you, the best cars that fuel efficient are Forte, Souls, and this one. Like I'm gonna be honest. Once I don't know which. I think it was this vehicle. I had it I was this one. Yeah, I had it in red. I rented it in Puerto Rico and I lasted 2 weeks with it and I didn't have to put gas or anything. In Puerto Rico, I was driving for days.
Wow.
So it's actually, like, I'm not saying it because I work here. Like, I'm going to be honest. I actually, before I worked here, I rented one. Okay, let me just get the keys. You can wait inside so you don't have to wait in the seat. I know
okay,
it's really
no problem.
hot. You can come right over here.
Okay.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please. Thank you. I think I had seen a lady leave out here with a car too. I said I think I had seen a lady leave out here with a vehicle as well. I was like, oh my God.
Just wait right here.
Okay. Thank you. y'all. I'm so excited. I'm finna go ahead and drive. Oh, Lord. Boy, I just hope that the car, I'm so excited. You see, I'm busting sweat. I am so excited. We're gonna get ready to drive this thing. This thing gonna be real smooth. Oh my God, drivable. You know? Oh, Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus, just help me, Lord. I hope I don't have to put nothing down on the car. Oh, boy. I hope this be a big old blessing. Lord Jesus. Please. So I'm gonna test drive this. We're gonna test drive this car. And the other one looked like it's a little, I don't know. It might be a little more roomy. I don't know. But if I can ask her to, could we drive both of the cars, test drive both of the cars and see which one would be best, that'd be fine. So, you know, oh my God, I'm so excited.
So let me just pull up the car and I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, thank you. She can pull the car up and everything. They must think I don't know how to drive. But, oh, I should have got the white one. But she said the white one is harder to clean. Damn, look at the sun, y'all. I cannot be out here in the sun. That's the car that I'm hoping that I be blessed with, Lord. Oh, shoot. Wow. Oh, look at that. Look at the inside. Oh my God, I got a whole bunch of room in here. Well, Lord Jesus, I'm just cleaning this.
The trunk space, I see.
Oh, I just love it. Oh.
Anything you have to do groceries or you're gonna buy anything you think you might spill, you can put it here.
Okay.
And you can just put the heavy stuff down and just put the light things here. So that's good for you.
Okay.
Do you know how to change a tire by any chance?
Yes.
You do? Okay, sometimes. I don't. So this is pretty much for people that don't know.
Well, you know, I had to learn because you don't got a boyfriend, you don't got no brother, no nothing. So, you know, I had to try to learn on my own.
I know. I didn't have.
I learned by doing my grandma changing her tire because we was stranded and she had a donut and I had to take the donut out. I said, oh my God, this thing heavy.
I will have to YouTube it like, yeah, I can't do that. The AAA, where you at right now?
Yeah.
To be honest, what is going on?
Tell me about it, right?
Explain to me, because really I don't want to pay you like $150, but hey.
Yeah, you know.
I know the struggle too. So pretty much we have here our tire mobility kit. This is just in case if your tire gets popped and the hole is not bigger than a quarter, you can pretty much, this is used as a seal. So you grab that pump, you connect it to the heating system there.
Okay.
You connect the heating system to the liquid filler, and then you just connect the liquid filler to your tire, and it will just take like 18 minutes for it to fill up and seal up. So you don't have to get out your car. Exactly. Girl, you don't even know how much time you save and how much money.
Oh my God. Lord Jesus, I just hope I'll be blessed with a car, Lord. I just hope.
So
oh my God.
So you're good. Also, these vehicles are really into safety, so pretty much these vehicles, I'm gonna tell you right now. So you can see, you can put like 5 dead bodies in there. You can
tell me about it, right? I got a whole bunch of stuff in my car, and I like big trunks, you know. You know, us women, we like the lot of stuff. Oh my God, it's so nice.
So pretty much. So you say you have a child, right?
Huh?
You say you have a child, right?
Yes.
How old is your child?
5.
5. Wow, it's a big child.
Yes.
Like, wait, what? So pretty much we're based on safety in all our vehicles. So if you were ever to have like a front collision in the front, our motor has 2 breakers on this side, so it automatically drops in the floor instead of coming in the vehicle.
Oh,
so
okay.
We're based on that. Also, our vehicles on this side, it has 2 metal bars. So if you were ever to have a side collision, it will pretty much prevent the door coming inside the vehicle.
Okay.
So it's mostly based on safety, these vehicles. And it's good with gas, and for kids, I would say it's good. And you're just starting off, right?
Say it again?
You're starting off with a new vehicle, or you have a new vehicle?
I have a vehicle here, but you know, I be going out of town and stuff like that, back and forth from Miami and up here. But my daughter is in Miami, so you know, I'm back and forth. So it's like, I think my Black Panther, he giving up on me.
No.
So, you know, I wanted to try. I just prayed before I got here too. I just hope, Lord, I just hope I'll be able to at least leave with a card and make payments on, you know, on down the line or whatnot. Cause as I spoke to the other Vanessa, she told me, you know, I was telling her that, cause she was asking me to come in.
The car, I know it's kind of hot, so you can sit on the passenger seat, and I'll just take it over to take for a test drive.
Okay. I thought I was.
I'm on my way to work right now.
What are you doing?
So as you may see, we baby proof our back seat, so you can put a car seat or a, oh my god, this air is so good. I don't know if it's heat out there, but it's good. So pretty much we just baby proof it, you can put a car seat any corner of the vehicle. So that's what we're mostly based on. Also, if you were ever to have a side collision and your windows were to shatter, there's airbags all around the vehicle, so it will just pretty much cover you like a blanket. So you don't get like any glass on you or your child or anything. So that's what we're based on. Oh, hey. Let's see. We're waiting for a test drive.
He might be on his way to
I am.
Positive vibes.
Positive vibes. Come on now.
Exactly. No negativity. We are on this right now. So this vehicle, you can connect your phone via Bluetooth on this vehicle. You can answer your phone calls, hang up. This vehicle is also voice control.
Okay.
Wow. His business out for the day. Hey guys, we're gonna do it for free. Alright. Doing it as a favor so you look good in front of your boss that you were able to find a solution to a problem.
Wow, this AC is
It's funny.
to be honest, like damn, it's like 100 degrees outside. I'm like,
Yes.
feeling right now. Amen to that.
Yeah.
And you can put a, like,
Do you have your license with you by any chance?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I see it real quick? So I can just scan the thing in the system.
just going to the actually taking like come and meet me at my job because like the security they got fired. Like they need somebody to replace him today. So could you like do that for me today? Like
It doesn't matter if it have a Miami address on there, right? Okay.
yeah,
I love that phone.
Very cool. Like I never had an iPhone either. I'm like, it's getting used to. I'm usually Android.
my manager's like asking me if I know
Wow.
Are you serious?
yeah, come on, please. No, can you meet me like
What's your phone number?
It's 386-601-4475.
You just switch right here.
I'm drive. I'm getting
To go to our job, to pretend to be a security guard.
okay.
I never did the street, so you ready to interrogate a taser and sit down here?
It's okay. It's okay if I put my okay. Oh, that's good.
Just like And just make it right here. That's like if I wasn't clear. Enjoy your view.
Okay.
Oh yeah, in the front.
Ooh, okay. All right. That's my song.
Let's to be honest.
Wow, this is smooth.
So you have your aux here, your USB here, you have your port control here also. What else? Oh, you can drive. Oh, at the light you make it right.
Oh, okay. And the light?
On the light right now. Also, if you live in a gated community area, or if you have a garage or anything, you have a system right here that you can install. Instead of having all the buttons here, you can install it in the system here.
Really?
And you can just press all these buttons and it'll just open the gate for the garage or anything. You have 3 options to fill the buttons.
Wow, that is perfect.
So it just helps out a lot of people. Instead of having like 4 or 5 different, like my grandma, she had like 5 different buttons.
Yeah, I see. That's how I go my irons. Oh my God.
Actually, just install it here, press the button, it'll just automatically just open.
Wow. That is, I'm so excited, but I don't want to get excited and then be disappointed, you know. But I'm just hoping that, you know, I get blessed to leave the car. I actually didn't find out so where I go now.
Oh, you just keep it straight.
Okay. So I really didn't get clearly understood everything, how it works. But you know, when I watched you guys, yes, it was saying 0 down, 2 something a month. So I was like, I just hope I be blessed with 1 0 down, 2 something a month. You know, even though I don't have a job on my fiance, he's taking care of everything, you know, and I don't know if he have to be here, but he's at work right now, so, you know.
We can send him an application so he can be a co-signer, and he can just fill it out wherever he's at and just send it to us.
Okay, so and then when he send it to you, I have to come back?
No, you can be right here. He can do it in the internet or through the phone real quick, and he can just send it. We'll just print it out and put him as a co-signer.
Okay.
And how good is this car?
I'm not so sure. He's a much older guy, and I'm not so sure. I didn't even ask that, you know. I know that we was trying to build on our credit by renting a home. Renting a home. They got this rent to own now, so we was trying to do that, and you know, it was certain stuff that, you know, it was certain things that I guess he wasn't okay with, or didn't even get the time to have it done. But I don't know, cause when I see you guys commercial, it was saying good credit, bad credit, no credit, all approved. And you know, I don't know if it was you guys, but I know I seen these same vehicles on there, you know, so, and I was like, well, I'm
So
not
all
trying
that's
to,
in our power, so you can actually say this vehicle home and you can just surprise everybody. And you can just make it right here.
wow, I love
like the
my
comfort
God.
that you don't drive and then you love how it feels.
Yes. My car don't feel like that. You gotta. Yes, cause somebody hit me. Somebody hit me from the back, and they messed up my front. And then they hit me, and then it was one in Miami. Hit me from the side. I had to fix my door. You know, I had to go to you put it or whatever like that, and go get another door. And I'm like by myself, so I'm like, man, how the heck I'm gonna get this car door off of here? You know, and I was like, cause she said, oh, you gotta put it for yourself. And I said, what?
Put it yourself? Are they crazy?
Like, really? I said, hey, I'm a woman. I'm not no man.
I'm like, do I look like a mechanic in any other way?
Right. So, I said to myself, man, I'm about to leave this thing here and come back. But I had drove a long way to go get it. Because I ain't know nothing about no junkyard or anything like that. You understand what I'm saying? So, I'm like, man, this is crazy. This is ridiculous. So somebody helped me with the thing, and then I had to try to put it. Put it somewhere, you know. I put it in the back, and then I was like, dang, good thing I got my suitcase here, cause you need them stretchy things. I had the stretchy things, so I put the thing. I did some type of way, tied it up, and then I tied it to my thing. To my hood, and I was good to go. I just had to drive slow. So where I'm going now?
Are you just wow.
Yes, I had a lot of problems. My baby still with me, but I had a lot of problems. I had a lot of problems. Since it got hit. Because I know my baby was crying.
I can imagine. That's something scary to go through. That's scary. Was the baby in the vehicle?
Oh no, she wasn't. I'm glad she wasn't. You know, but no.
Really don't get over. Like when I had my first car accident, like my car flipped. Like my car was like total. It was because I got hit by a drunk driver.
Wow.
Yes, it flipped and everything. I thought I was gonna die. I was in the hospital for like 2 weeks because I broke my knee. Like it was bad. The Lord came in and hit me hard, but I couldn't drive for almost a month. And then, about this vehicle. Well, we just kept talking. I just forgot what my so pretty much, this vehicle has 2 years of free warranty that you don't have to worry about any maintenance plans, like your oil changes, your tire rotations, or anything that has to do with the vehicle for 2 years.
Really?
Yes. So that's more money to your pocket, safe. You have bumper-to-bumper warranty just in case anybody hits you in the back or to the front. We pretty much cover you with that also for 2 years. We have 10 years, 100,000 miles, so you'll be good with that if you like to drive. And what can I say? Also we have, wow, it's really cool. You can see the air system's pretty damn good. Also, pretty much you don't have to worry about your payments until the 45 days, pretty much. So you'll be good for 2 months and 3 days so far.
Okay.
To worry about your first payment.
What?
So yeah, it's
Oh,
really
good. You coming out with some good news. Oh, Lord, I guess Lord for the bless me with a car today.
Exactly. So you'll be good. We'll try to do everything in our power to try and make you take your vehicle today.
Yes. Because, you know, I actually didn't have this is a new vehicle, right? I actually didn't have a new vehicle. Ever since I've been getting cars, I've been getting used cars because, you know, they've been asking for so much money. And, you know, and I had one that would work with me, but it was telling me, what you call that? Transition. Yeah, transition or something like that.
How you make a razor?
They was telling me that, you know, that's for life or whatnot and stuff. So I'm like saying to myself, really? And then if I'm not mistaken, they said something about the engine. So I was like, okay, is the engine guaranteed? Or y'all just take care of the transmission? All right, I'm gonna get out and let you go
we'll
ahead.
just go right through here.
Oh, okay.
We'll just park it where I left off, right next to that little box, and we'll just switch right.
Okay. Oh, I just passed the box.
Oh no, you're good.
Oh shoot! This is what's up. Oh Lord, y'all, I guess this is gonna be a win. Thank you. Did I close the door all the way?
So you like this vehicle, right?
Yes.
That's good.
Yes, that's good news, but I was like, I don't want to fall in love with it. But you said some good information that I was like, dang, what if I can't get the car?
No, why so negative?
I don't want to be negative, but this is different. That's why I love Orlando. I love Orlando so much to the T. So when I go ahead and cause in Miami they don't help you out. They don't really. You gotta pay up front and stuff like that. I never seen any car dealerships that does stuff that y'all doing. I don't know how often you guys do it, but it's just a buy here, pay here, or something like that. That's how it is.
Good. Good? Yes.
Look at this car. Oh Lord Jesus. Okay.
Positive vibes.
Okay, positive vibes. For now on, positive vibes.
Positive vibes all day.
Yes.
No negativity. Are you gonna give your vehicles as a trade-in also?
I don't think it's worth the trade in, to be honest. You want me to wait right here? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. How you doing? All right. Okay. I wanted to get one of these, but I don't know how good. Well, not that one, but the one that I just seen before this one. Okay.
You want more water or anything?
Oh no, I was just looking for the garbage.
Oh no, you're good. I'll put it down in a minute.
This here was good enough.
It was cold. You just needed that.
Yes. I don't think my car worth for no trading.
You want to try it out if it's not worth. If you're not paying it off, you're good. Or you're still paying that vehicle off.
Oh no. I had stopped, but I forgot. Well, I think that they was not being fair as the payments. They had me pay extra $300 on that used. $3,000. I had paid $2,600 on a Suzuki I got from them, and then I told the Suzuki underneath the whole body of the under the car was like shaking. You hearing bells and stuff. So I'm like, oh my God, no, I gotta take this back. So when I took it back, I told them that I want another car. I want a different car because this car here, I couldn't find nobody who could fix on the car. You know, they said something about that. They sent me a letter or a card or something about the lights, the front lights. They say if I don't get something about the front lights, they'll catch on fire. So I wouldn't know. You know, they'll get just that hot to the point where it'll probably connect to the what you call those, the wires.
The wiring of the vehicle?
Yeah, the wires. So it'll probably connect towards the wires and cause a fire, and I don't know nothing about it. So I had to hurry up and trade that back in because my daughter is riding with me, you know. So they had gave me a Chevy Aveo. They gave me a Chevy Aveo 2010. And from there, that Chevy Aveo was smelling like gas inside the car. And I was like, they can't be playing me like this. And then I was paying $300 every month for that car. And I was like, I'm not going to be making no payments on a car that gas, I mean, literally.
It might have blown up.
Yes, I wouldn't. You never know what's going on. So, they saying buy as is, but you got to tell me what's going on with the car first before you want me to purchase the car, you know. So, from there, I took that back. Went to go get, they gave me a Dodge. They gave me a Dodge Neon or something like that. And I rode with that and whatnot. But what was wrong with that? The window. The window, when I rolled it down or whatever, and it came off the doggone, it came off. I had so much bad luck. I said, these people crazy. And then I guess they gave me somebody else's car because the person called me a couple of months later. The car that I have out there, I'm thinking that they probably done took that. I don't know. It was crazy to me. It was so crazy. But that person, whoever car it was, they everything. It was like some stuff that got fixed. It was good enough for me for a year.
That's good. At least it worked out. Is this your current address now, or where's your current address now?
My current address is 26.